dropping one by one, floating in the air. Canter A is for apple, shiny and red. Canter B is for ball, bounce it on your head. Canter C is for cat, say meow, meow, meow. Canter D is for dog, take a little bow. Crack, crack, crack the egg, letters jump with glee. Learning ABCs is fun, come and sing with me. Canter E is for elephant, big and tall. Canter F is for fish, swimming in the pool. Canter G is for goat, munch, munch, munch. Canter H is for hat, wear it for lunch. Crack, crack, crack the egg, what will come out next? I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. Canter J is for juice, drink it as a treat. Canter K is for kite, flying so high. Canter L is for lion, roaring to the sky. Canter L is for monkey, swinging on trees. Canter N is for nest, birds say please. T-O is for orange, juicy and round. Canter P is for parrot, talking loud sounds. Canter clack, crack the egg, keep the fun alive. Canter Q is for queen, wearing a crown. Canter R is for rabbit, hopping around. Canter S is for sun, shining bright. Canter T is for tiger, stripes just right. Canter U is for umbrella, open wide. Canter V is for van, let's go for a ride. Canter W is for well